how to see all your comments on TikTok. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets TikTok tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and view your comment history on TikTok. So if you're trying to find a comment that you made on TikTok, in this video, I'll show you how to see a history of your TikTok comments and then how you can go in and actually delete them if you want to. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to view our comment history on TikTok, the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok app on our iPhone or Android phone and then navigate to your profile by selecting the profile icon on the bottom right of the app. Once you get on your profile, select the three horizontal lines in the top right to open the menu, and then in the menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once in Settings and Privacy, scroll down to the section labeled Content and Display and select Activity Center. Once in Activity Center, select Comment History. And in here, you'll see all the comments that you've made on TikTok. As you can see, for each comment, it shows you what your comment was, the comment you're replying to, the date you made the comment, and also who you were commenting to. And you'll see a thumbnail on the right of the actual video you were commenting on. So you can scroll through here, see all your comments. If you find a comment that you want to delete, simply select it. It'll open up that video and bring you to the comment right here. And now that we can see our comment, to delete it, all we need to do is long press the comment and in the menu, select delete. As you can see, that comment will then be deleted and it'll no longer show up in your comment history. All right, so that's how you see all of your comments on TikTok. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more TikTok tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.